Suntan, sunscreen, strawberry, ice cream.
Hi guys, I'm Seonkyoung Longas, and today, by the way, I'm finally back home from Italy. I took my mom to her dream trip to Italy. She never been Europe, and that was her dream to travel in Europe. And I was finally able to do. About 2.5 weeks, we went to Pengeno, Firenze, and Roma, and we had a blessed time. So anyway, so now we are back home. And it's summertime, tomatoes are in season. So I wanted to show you very different kimchi that you never heard about. Maybe you might saw it in some of Korean reality show, not reality, what do you call? Variety show. The Korean variety shows before tomato kimchi. Yeah, we're gonna make kimchi with tomato. It says thinking same thing as like a cucumber kimchi, but we are using tomato, and these are so good. You must try. By the way, if you haven't purchased my cookbook yet, look how beautiful this cookbook is. Like all these delicious recipes. Yes, beautiful pictures, detailed recipes with ingredients and notes, cooking notes, and my story of each recipes, my short essay, and you can actually personalize your book. This one only say 안녕, but if you actually purchase it, it will have your name right on here. It's a personalized book. So yeah, if you haven't grabbed your own book yet, get one. I'm so excited about you to start cooking my recipes at home and be happy and eat the good life. I just chopped 5 cloves of garlic and put this in a large mixing bowl. And tiny bit of ginger. This is completely up to you. If you don't want to add ginger, you don't have to, but I love adding ginger into my kimchi. And I washed my ginger really well so I can use the skin of the ginger. And I personally really love using skin on, like, if possible, from vegetables and fruits, because the skin has lots of nutrition as well. You could find it chopped like this, that's how I do. Or you could just grate it in a cheese grater. And some onion. I'm going to slice some onion. This also into a large mixing bowl. Look at her.
Bella, what are you doing up there? Same seeds? Say, this is my playground. What are you doing?
And handful of chive. So you can use a Korean chive or garlic chive or the regular chive you can find at the regular grocery store. That's completely fine. Any chive will do. If you don't have a chive, you can use a green onion instead, okay? So if you are using green onion, you will need about 4 to 5 green onions. I mean, you could cut it like really long if you wanted to, but it's up to you. You're the boss in your kitchen, okay? Before I cut the tomatoes, I actually wanna mix all this first, make like a sauce, and then I will toast the tomatoes. Because tomato is such a, kind of delicate vegetable. Is a tomato a vegetable or fruit? Google it. If it's tomato is a fruit or vegetable, Google it and please comment down below, let me know.
So it's because it has the seeds, say that's why it's a fruit.
Oh, because the vegetable doesn't have a seed in it? Cucumber has a seed in it. Zucchini, squash has a seed in it. They're vegetables. I know cucumber for sure is a vegetable. Is cucumber fruit too? No. Now I'm confused. Oh, is this totally off topic, but have you guys watched the Change Days or Change Dates?
Change date.
Change Date? Change Date on Netflix? Yeah, that looks perfect. Thank you. On Netflix, the Korean dating show, but it's like they are like couples, but they go into like a villa in Jeju Island, and they are changing the couples, and it's so entertaining. I love a trashy show like that. Jacob and I were watching like crazy last night. We haven't finished yet. We're gonna watch again after we are done filming. But anyways, for this making not Korean kimchi. I can't even talk. Coming back to making tomato kimchi. So far we have garlic, ginger, onion, and chive here. And so main seasoning can be either vegan fish sauce or Yondu. I love both either way. If you can, whatever you can find easily. To me, Yondu is a lot easier to find because you can actually purchase online. This one, I had to ask my friend in Sacramento to go to the Vietnamese grocery store and buy it and bring it to me. And thankfully that she did. You all know B. She did it for me, and this fish sauce is a bomb. So if you can find vegan fish sauce like this, definitely use it. Or use Yondu. You can purchase Yondu from Amazon. I will put the link down below. All right. Today, I'm just gonna use plant-based fish sauce. So we are not gonna add any salt because either Yondu or plant-based fish sauce has like a lot of sodium in it. We don't need the extra, what do you call?
Salty flavor?
Salt, yeah, sodium. All right, now gochugaru, Korean red pepper flakes, and some raw sugar. You could use agave nectar or maple syrup for the sweetener, or whatever you decide to use for the sweetener. And this is maesilaek, Korean green plum extract. So when I'm making Korean food, especially kimchi or kimchi style salad like this one, maesilaek is the must ingredient. Nowadays, it's very easy to find in any Korean grocery store or online. So if you don't have a maesilaek and you cannot wait to get it and you just want to make it, you can use like apple juice, pear juice, like any like a little fruity juice or apricot jam will actually do the job. Let's mix this kimchi sauce first. It's actually more onion than what my original recipe that I created for. But you know what? Onion is really good for you. Especially you want to lose your belly fat like me. I want to lose like this bottom part of it. It's just more you get aged, it's harder to get rid of it. But anyways, here goes Jacob again. Don't mind him. But anyways, onion helps to melt your fat in your tummy and like let it out. So especially raw onion does that. So I don't mind eating extra onions. And to your personal taste, you can add more gochugaru or less gochugaru to make more spicy or less spicy. I mean, tomato is already red. We don't need more gochugaru for color. You know what I mean? So if you don't add tomato in this, it's onion kimchi. You can just add more onions in here. Or if you just add the cucumber in here, it's cucumber kimchi. If you add eggplant, like a steamed eggplant kimchi. Easy. Add cilantro kimchi. Whatever you name it. Kimchi is that easy, guys. Kimchi is not that complicated science thing. So there's a two-way to make tomato kimchi. You can cut tomato into like this, like you will cut cucumber, like this. Like this. We call 동서남북이라. Like a play game. Boom, 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 boom.
We have that too. I don't even remember.
Oh, you do? Oh, you guys have too?
Yeah, where you pick a number and it's like 1, 2, 3, 4.
And we have something like,
like a letter.
Yeah.
And you like pick who you're gonna like marry and how many kids you're gonna have.
Yeah, exactly. Oh my God, our kids are same. It doesn't matter where.
I don't know what it's called though.
Okay, so MZ people not understanding us right now. If any MZ is watching it, hands up. So anyways, you can fill this up like so. So pretty, right? How cute is this tomato kimchi? But I found out something odd about this. Take it out. It's really hard to eat. Like cucumber, I can bite into it to separate them. I cannot bite this into it. It's too big. So what I like to do is just slice them into 6 to 8 wedges. Just like that. And if you want to, you can actually get rid of this little middle part. But I personally actually like that part, even though I'm getting rid of it because some of you probably get really bothered if I just add it into my food, even though you're not gonna eat it and I'm gonna eat it and I like it. It's just, this is how the world is working nowadays on social media. My opinion doesn't matter, but yours. But anyways, I like them because it has a smell like summer to me. Time to mix our tomato kimchi. You can mix like this with a spoon, but this way, one thing is missing, which is 손맛. In Korean, 손맛, which is taste from the hand, is everything. So I got dilemma now. So if I do like this, I don't get 손맛. If I wear plastic glove, oh my God, you're overusing plastic. I get it. I really want to reduce my everyday plastic usages. And if I use mix with my bare hand, there's people being uncomfortable. Me mixing my food that I'm about to eat. No, I'm not sharing with you anyways. So, you know what? This is all for you who were very uncomfortable with me mixing with my hand. I'm gonna mix it with my hand. Like my mom, my grandma always used to do. This is how I cooked, and this is how I learned to cook. Okay, now it's pretty much done. I'm gonna add some last finale of sesame seeds. And this is it, guys. So this tastes really good, just fresh like this. Tastes better tomato. You can add a little salt to your taste, but I hate to say this, but like after I became plant-based, I used to eat my food like top-notch seasoned or like a little salty side, but like 1 year and 4 months of plant-based, I'm not eating that salty anymore. I don't know what it is. My taste bud just got a little more sensitive, I guess, that I don't eat that salty. Like that tastes salty to me. So anyways, cheers, guys. Oh my God. Some of it might kill me, but I think this will be really great side dish for Korean barbecue. We can still have a Korean barbecue with the next meat. Jacob, you wanna try? Come over here. Oh, you need to film it like they can feel I'm feeding them with my bare hand. No, baby, we're filming right there. No, you don't have to do the selfie.
Selfie shot.
Okay, nobody missed your selfie shot though. Just kidding. I don't have anything on this. No, I don't have anything on this hand. 맛있지?
Damn, that's
So
good.
good. I know who thought tomato kimchi would be this good. And it's must make during the summertime when tomatoes are seasoned. They're super delicious. Eating seasonal food is so important, guys. Be quiet on set. I'm talking. Oh, that's just splashing. So sorry, we had to change our microphone battery real fast, and I was like this whole time, like 15 minutes. So anyways, Jacob, say what you said off camera while you're changing the battery. 멍석을 깔아주니까 또 못하는구만.
I said that is my favorite kimchi now. I used to like, I like cucumber.
No, said it exactly how you said it. You said
I like
this.
that better than the cucumber kimchi.
Yeah.
And the radish kimchi.
Oh, really?
Oh, that one's like best
Wow.
ever.
Well, show your face to tell them. It's like,
Oh my gosh.
it's not podcast, babe. Come over. It's a
behind the
YouTube
scenes.
video.
It's the best kimchi ever.
It's like it looks like I forced it. Yeah.
Because you did force me to come over here to tell him in front of the camera. Now just give me that
Give
bite.
one
It's
more
okay.
try. He said it's better than the cucumber kimchi. To him. It's really good. Guys, you need must to try. Like, where I was left before the battery change? Oh, must make. During summertime when tomatoes season, and guys, very important to eat seasonal food. Why is so hard? So anyways, guys, if you liked my tomato kimchi recipe, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more delicious, authentic Asian plant-based recipes. And I will see you next time. Bye guys. Thank you for watching. Mwah. Don't forget to buy my book.
Swaying in the sunshine. Oh my, it's looking so fine. Diva,